Hey everybody, welcome in to the Gargoyles Den. Today we're going to be going over thrift store finds. Let's get into it. Alright, as you can see there's quite a few bags here, so I'll probably go through them a little quicker than usual, just to keep the video to a decent length. And then at the end of the video, I want to tell you about a new place that opened up near me that might be a good place for me to start shopping for Hot Wheels at. I went in there today and got a nice little selection from that too. So we'll go over that towards the end. Let's go ahead and get into these, get these all ripped open. As you can tell, they all came from Goodwill, so I probably overpaid for them, but it is what it is. It's the only place around here to find them right now. Until I tell you about the place at the end. Let's go ahead and do this. Alright, let's see here. Grab something for his. Be open. Quick ones through. This will be his, obviously. I'm not even doing anything with that. That's Star Wars, isn't it? Doesn't matter, it's all plastic. I'm not doing anything with it. I won't do anything with that. That was actual metal. It's a pullback. The pullback part don't work. Minnie Mouse. Mickey. The hell? That's a part to something. What it's to, I do not know. Alright, it's a start for his now. And this can go. These can be garbage. I don't even give these to him, they're so cheap. Alright, that looks like the bulk of the ones that will go to him. Zip bag. Right, set that to the side. Alright, another junk one. Let's see what we got here. Possibly the world's ugliest Hot Wheel. I've got several of these and I hate them. Absolutely hate them. Now I have another. Joy. I should send this to Spork. Over Spork Syndicate. Just to be funny. I imagine he's got one already, but it just reminded me of that. Cheap train cover. Another Chinese one. It's not in bad shape. Kind of an ugly one, but hey, it's a monster truck. Let's see what we got for planes here. Yeah, it looks like we got quite a few planes this haul. That's an all plastic one. It's a Cars one. That'll be for Oliver. Set it for planes. Alright. Not a bad lineup for planes. I really like the biplane. You don't normally get those. I don't see those very often. This is a drone. Don't see those very often either. Unless you're talking about the old military style ones like these. I've got a couple of those. So yeah, these all go in my little plane collection I have started up. Sorry about the dog in the background. Alright. Batmobile. Can always use more Batmobiles. I was looking to see if it was made for McDonald's or whatnot, because it's all plastic. I don't know. It'll be used for something. Hot Wheels 1993. That's an oldie. Don't think I've ever seen it before. It doesn't say McDonald's on either, but I would have thought it would have been, just because of the ugly wheels. That can go in his. Here's another Batmobile. And another Batmobile. That's garbage. Old Blackwall. This is Peterbilt. GMC. Yeah. Still got the stacks and everything on it. That's something I could do something with. Ooh, what's that car? That one's kind of cool looking. It's obviously, I don't know if it's missing. No, it's not missing. It's just been scraped up, I think. The back part of it. This is Disney car Anna. Whoever Anna is in Disney. I imagine it's one of the princesses. Kind of like that car. This reminds me of my Gargenstein. It's got the bull horns on the side of it when I put it together. This is where I got it from, was from one of these. This is the only time I've seen one other than that. Is that one over? And this is an older Hong Kong one. It's kind of busted up and broken up, but I might use it for something, who knows. So let's turn it over here. Oh, there's another one of the bullhorn trucks. Alright. Aristo Rat. Feels like it's all plastic. I do like the little dump bed on the back of it though. That could come in handy for something. Gotta go in a mashup. Pickup truck, it's my Esto Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. Do a wheel swap on it, I guess. Maybe. Now this USA Arctic team. Matchbox. 2011. It's actually kind of cool. That could be turned into some gas lanes or something. So you got quite a few muscle cars here too. I like this one. This one will probably stay the way it is. I'll just put some new wheels on it. I like that one. Chinico Celine S7 2001. That's an older one. Where's this? Pursuit. Police car. Nothing too fancy, but yeah. Okay. Oliver will probably end up seeing that one and he'll snag it from me, so gotta keep a few on hand for him to be able to do that so he feels like he's getting one over on me or something. A dragon car. What the hell? Torpedo. Speedo. Anybody used to wear those? I know I did in high school. Camaro. Never understood these cars with wall clear tops like that. It's kind of ugly. Avant-Garde, 2008. I guess when you've been in business so long, you gotta have a little bit of everything. It's Maestro, right? Yeah, it's Maestro Lamborghini. You can have that one. I'm not a big Maestro fan usually. Safari X. This one we could definitely do something with if we did a wheel swap on it. Little dune buggy. I've seen these cars before. We haven't really ever used one for anything though. Racetrack Rescue. Okay. It's got a cool motor in it though. A couple more Camaros it looks like. And what's the supercar? It's a Corvette C8. Yeah, I guess it is if you look at the front of it. Other than that, it doesn't really look like a Corvette. Not bad though. Probably my favorite one of the bunch. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. And this one's kind of cool for an older one. Older Blackwall. Let's say Street is Neat. I don't know about all that. It's called The Landlord. And we never did find anything this goes to, but this would be good for Gaslands. It's a little laser gun of some sort. And that's it for this. Let me get these out of the way and we'll go over the haul that I got from the new store. I'll tell you guys where that's at if any of you guys are near me and want to check it out. Be back in just a moment. Alright, I'm back. Now, out here in Arizona, for those of you who've never been out here, they got this thing called Mall of Peddlers. I don't know if it's anywhere else or not. I'd never heard of it until I moved out here. But we had one just opened up next to the Goodwill that we were at today. And we decided to go in and check it out. And it was maybe a third of the way full. Like I said, it's brand new, just opened up. They said they've rented out all their spaces already. It's just everybody hasn't moved in yet. There was one guy there that had on-card Hot Wheels for sale. Now, the amazing part is the on-card ones that he had for sale, he only had $1.50 on them. It wasn't like he was trying to get $3 or $4 for a dollar car. So I'm not sure how he's making a whole lot of money on them, but hey, that's not my problem. That's on him. I did find my first treasure hunt, but it was also the price of a treasure hunt, so it doesn't really count. I still haven't found one out in the wild. Alright, let's see what I got. Most ones that I got, I just got for myself, basically to customize or do wheel swaps on or whatever, just because I liked them. Alright. Yes, I know the card's creased before I show it, but yeah, it's the food mill. The chill mill hot sauce. That is the treasure hunt. Set that right to the side. $60 Chevy Rod Squad. I thought that one was sharp. And you guys know I'm kind of a muscle car person, so yeah, I liked that. Gassers. I can never find gassers at the store out here. So yeah, I saw this and it was a no-brainer. $1.50? Yeah, I'll take it. Another gasser, which I do have this one in a different color. I do not have the Super Treasure Hunt though, which is gold, I believe, in this. And station wagons. I love station wagons. The only car I know that was a family grocery getter and could be made cool. Unlike minivans. This one I thought was pretty nice. Nissan Skyline GTR. $150. Yeah. Can't find them on the pigs at the store, but I found one there. And last but not least, and I got this one because I thought it was funny. Yeah. 76 Chevy Chevette drag car. That is hilarious. If any of you guys have ever ridden in a Chevy Chevette, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, this Mall of Peddlers that opened up. It's on the corner of Greenfield Road and University in Mesa, Arizona. So anybody that's from this area, you want to check it out, it's another source. Like I said, the only other place to get them right now really is Goodwill, and you never know if they're going to have them or not. You know, for the last 6 months, I haven't been able to find any at Goodwills. And all of a sudden, I got this load today, all at one Goodwill. Surprised the hell out of me. But, you know, it is what it is. Get them where you can find them. Until next time, that's it for this one, guys. Bye now.